Hello, I'm Carsten Schröder, President and CEO of Terumo Neuro. As the neurointerventional community gathers in Marseille for this year's ESMINT Congress, we are proud to be part of the ongoing dialogue that drives innovation and advances patient care. This year, we are proud to celebrate 15 years of the WEB device, a milestone that reflects its proven simplicity in treating wide neck bifurcation aneurysms and proven innovation that continues to shape this field. We are also excited about the recent commercial release of Sophia Flow 88 aspiration catheter, expanding our portfolio with a solution designed to meet the evolving needs of clinicians. Our team has prepared a robust lineup of programs at ESMINT, focusing on education, hands-on engagement, and collaboration with the physician community. We at Terumo Neuro remain deeply committed to partnering with physicians to shape the future of neurovascular care together.